Close.
Close. Real close.
Run a black border in front, no?
I guess.
Holy shit. That's the thing, bro. All Dodge have the same song of locking it. Holy. Walk, walk. Shit, 3 more, eh?
No.
Oh, we are 2.
Okay.
Now we are 3 more, bro. And some cuts. For your glory, I will do anything. Ugh. Oh yeah. Alright. Stop that. That's it, huh?
Okay, give me those 2. See what I can do. Those are both caught.
Yeah.
Let's just say we did this. Some space. Some space. Okay. If I cut that right through, then we pop in a double border, we'll probably finish close to here. Then I guess we can finish it off with the blocks. No more, right?
No more.
So yeah, give me this saw. Cut this. This is the one, right?
Yeah, that's a good one.